The basketball game was over, and the gym was finally quiet. Hamza and Bilal were the last ones left in the locker room. They zipped up their hoodies and grabbed their sports bags, ready to head home. To reach the street, they had to walk through the Great Hall. During the day, it was filled with the noise of hundreds of students. Now, it was a long tunnel of shadows and silence. Click, clack. Hamza stopped suddenly. "Did you hear that?" he whispered. Bilal paused and tilted his head. The sound had stopped the moment they did. They both turned around, peering into the gloom. They expected to see a teacher or perhaps a late-working janitor, but the hallway was completely empty. Only the long rows of lockers stared back at them. They began to walk again, a little faster this time. Click-clack, click-clack. The mysterious footsteps returned, perfectly matching their pace. It sounded like someone was walking just a few feet behind them. "Run!" Bilal shouted. They bolted down the hallway, their sneakers thudding loudly against the linoleum. The sound behind them grew louder and faster, chasing them toward the exit. They reached the heavy metal doors at the end of the hall and stopped, gasping for air. Their hearts were hammering against their ribs. They stayed very still, listening for the person following them. The hallway was silent. Hamza frowned and stood up straight. "Wait a minute," he said softly. He took one deliberate step and slammed his foot down. Thud. A split second later, a ghostly thud echoed back from the walls. Bilal realized it too. He jumped up and down twice. Bang, bang, the hallway answered, with two perfect echoes. The footsteps weren't a person at all. It was just the sound of their own shoes bouncing off the hard walls. They pushed open the exit doors and stepped into the cool evening air. They realized that when they were scared, they stopped thinking clearly. By stopping to listen, the mystery was solved. They walked home, laughing at their own shadows.